everyone, welcome back on my channel Lesson Plan Corner. So today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan. Topic would be types of noun. This is English lesson plan. Okay, if you need the same lesson plan in Hindi, you can check it on another YouTube channel named Nutan Online Study. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe for more BA related video. Okay, now let's see how to make this format means of lesson plan. So for previous knowledge, what students are aware of? Students are aware of noun because they have already learned about noun, because we are basically going to tell them about a noun. So before that they must have learned about noun. So previous knowledge we can write like this. General aim you can see here. So what are our aim? What you want to teach to students? We have to write like we have to write all that. So we basically want to tell them about noun. What is noun? And how many types of noun there are also we are going to teach to them. As well as we also want to make them to make sentence on various types of nouns. Specific objectives you can see here, means whatever our aim are, whatever our motive behind teaching this topic, we have to write here. Teaching aid you can see here, flex chart, model, chalk, means we have to write whatever we are, means teaching aid we are going to use, we have to write all those things. Okay, here you can see introduction part. This is very kind of, I can say, little bit, not that much, but little bit difficult to make. So if you have already made lesson plan, you must know that we have to make questions, and that should be linkable question. So I have add here 4 question, and do not add more than 5 question. 5 question is maximum. So I have added only 4 question. What is noun? Student will try to answer. Give some examples of noun. Then student will try to answer. Make one sentence using noun. Then student will try to make a sentence using a noun. Do you know how many types of noun are there? It would be problematic for students. Here you can see objectives and specifications. You can see here our objectives. Okay, so after that we have to announce our topic. We have to announce our topic we have to say, today I am going to teach you topic types of noun. Write it on blackboard. You can see here overall look of our lesson plan. Now here you can see presentation part. Here you can see presentation 1. So for that, we have to teach about types of noun. Basically there are 4 types of noun, we are going to teach them. So you can write here definitions also. After that we have to ask question related to what we have already taught to students. Here is the expected answer that we expect from students, and here is our blackboard work. You can see here we have to mention here, as well as we also have to write on blackboard. Here you can see teacher showing chart, students observing chart, and for teaching aid we have to write like chart. Okay, rest of the part means you can see here rest of the presentation. This is presentation 2. You can see here. Okay, and this is the question, list of the question you can see here, and this is the expected answer that we expect from students, and this is the blackboard work, and this is our overall look of the lesson plan. Okay, so here rest part of presentation 2 you can see, and question also you can see what is concrete noun, give some examples. Okay, here you can see some few of the answer. Okay, and here you can see blackboard work. Okay, and here recapitulation you can see 4 questions, and this is expected answer. Okay, here you have to write the answer of this. Okay, this is overall look of our lesson plan. Now here you can see fill in the blank, that would be application and evaluation. So for that you can see here, you can see now home assignment. So for perfection of their knowledge we have to give home assignment to student. Okay, so this was my lesson plan, and the topic was types of noun. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.